don't think I have this set up right. I don't think so. Hang on a second. This isn't gonna work. Crap. I'm having a hard time. Well, good afternoon. Well, good morning, and welcome to the assignment desk here in the garage workshop, where I'm having a bit of a difficult time getting everything set up to show you this. I really enjoyed working on this World War II Sherman tank, and as I do these dioramas and model kits, I'm kind of just dissatisfied with building it normally, building it like it would look on the box. So I'm like, what can I do? And if you caught my last video, I said I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'll show you some close-ups on this here in just a second. But I wanted to do something different, and I thought, well, I can take a race car theme and couple it with a tank and come up with a really cool-looking design. And I'll tell you, it really is really cool looking. I didn't know what I was going to do. I kind of figured it out as I went, but I made chrome wheels and I got racing stripes, kind of like the old Gulf racing livery, and decals. That's the only thing that didn't come with the kit, is the decals. I had to order those special, so I just kind of threw them on there. I got a red little point here at the end of the turret barrel, so that it is of no threat to anybody. If I actually set this up into an actual diorama base, I may actually put some like cotton smoke coming off of it, like a drift tank, which isn't a thing. And I was going to put it on an ammo can before I decided to do the racing theme, but it didn't make a lot of sense. So I took this base that I had made for another diorama, and I figured I'd just make it like an old abandoned airfield. And of course I have ammunition from other builds I've done that I didn't want to use, and a couple army men that I've had for a long time, and I just kind of strewn it about. So I would love to know what you think of this build, but I'd also, more importantly, like to know what kind of builds you've done and if they have looked different than the box. What did you do to customize it? What did you do to kit bash it? What did you do to make it unique, interesting, special, and otherwise different? So that's going to be it. That is this drift tank build. But I have a Saturn V rocket right over there. I can see it. That I have turned into, or am turning into, a lighthouse. I took a broken like light pole base from an old derelict subdivision that really wasn't working, and I brought it home. It weighs about 50 pounds, and it is about this tall, right? You can't see it, makes no difference, it's that tall. And so I've got a little HO scale house and my Saturn V rocket that I truncated, and I've got a little strobe light in there that flashes on and off, and that's going to be the next build. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because I've got a lot of different content on and planned to be on this channel, and I think it may be just builds and dioramas for a while, but stay tuned, because you never know what will be on this channel. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate your comments, and until I talk to you again, I hope you have a great day.